Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be digging more into our Django. So we're going to be looking, today's main video, the main topic is we're going to be working with the header in HTML. So before, we just had hello world, you're at the polls index. So let's just go ahead and run this. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do, Python manage.py. Some things I can type and run server. Some things I cannot type while we're going. So we're going to bounce around a little bit, but the main thing is we're going to be exposing, we're going to be learning about how to do a header in HTML, and just for a little flavor, we're going to learn how to center it. So here we are with our response. Starts here, and I want to show you this. So this is the order in which Django will begin to match. So right here, when I run this and I go to my local host, I do have the server running, right? Yep. I go to my local and I hit port 8000. It goes, hey, I'm going to check polls, I'm going to check admin. Okay. Check polls, check admin. It's going to look in those order. So we have right here, index, guess what? This is where it looks, this is the order. All right, so it's going to look at the name, index, and then kick back, and then look here, get our request, or a HTTP get, and then it's going to print this out. Well, this is just straight Python. So now let's get, well, first, let's get to poll. Here we are. / local polls. There we are. I get this. Well, we need to start using our HTML. So let's get it. Return HTTP, and let's get this. So I do my string, then I'm going to do H1 for my header, and we'll look at, you'll get the idea what, so there's 6, 1 through 6. H1, close that out, then polling, then I do my H1, close this out, and my parentheses. Save, come back here, boom, changes instantly, and I can double check and make sure, all right, everything's going good. Here's my get, come back. Now, let's look and see what H is. 1 is the largest, goes down to 6. So we can just see, and you can experiment with 2 through 5. So I save, refresh, teeny tiny. So let's go back to 6, and now I want to show you how to center. Excuse me, let's go back to 1, and I'll show you how to center it up. So this command is just this simple, and we're just going to build on this. Center. Then we literally just wrap it, and just like the other, close this out. Boom, boom, center, close it out, and save, refresh, boom. I got polling, and I am now centered, and we're just going to build off of this. But I know this can be challenging, and we're going to set up some templates, and we're going to go from there, and then we're going to check, and I'm actually going to show you where in the database where we set up our super user, so you can begin to see what it looks like on the database side. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Thank you as always for watching. Hope you guys are checking out the live stream on Free Code Camp, and if you want to support this channel, you can look down in the description and see that down there. We have chapters 1 and 2 on Patreon. Working on chapter 3. I'm a little bit behind with these very cool live streams. But I just want to tell you guys thank you for all the support, all the awesome new subscribers. But we're just going to begin building, and we're going to set this up and have this be a nice little real quick drop down bar and submit, and we'll go from there. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.